Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 26th of November. I'm James Spann. Got some rain on the way. We'll have showers, maybe some thunder later today, tonight, tomorrow morning. More rain over the weekend. When does that start? What about the Iron Bowl? So much to talk about this Thanksgiving week. So here we go. This is the upper look, big trough in the western states. The pattern very progressive. These systems will be scooting across the country pretty quickly. That's producing some nasty weather out west. But around here, it's a quiet morning, and numbers are all over the board. Another good example why this is not really a one-number place when it comes to forecasting lows. You've got Fort Payne at 33, Cullman 47, Birmingham at 49. Will be up in the 60s today. Pretty cold back in the western states behind this developing storm system. And boy, that thing is illuminated like a Christmas tree. That's the watch warning map. And obviously, big travel days are coming up here before Thanksgiving. Just kind of pick out your destination. First off, we've got wind issues from West Texas up through parts of the plains into the Great Lakes with high wind watches and warnings and wind advisories. Winter storm warnings in effect from Colorado and Wyoming up to the upper peninsula of Michigan, and a lot of winter weather issues back in the western states. Here's the snow with this leading system coming out over the next 60 hours. And generally speaking, amounts will be in the 5 to 10 inch range up through parts of Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and upper Michigan. Travelers beware. And in the warm sector of this storm today, a risk of severe storms from Louisiana and Mississippi up into parts of Missouri and Illinois. And we'll talk about the specifics on this threat here in a moment. And then tomorrow, no severe weather expected, although there could be some thunder for the southern half of Alabama. Day 3, which is Thanksgiving Day, got a marginal risk of severe storms back in the desert southwest. Go to day 4, which is Black Friday, a risk of severe storms along the Interstate 35 corridor, Dallas-Fort Worth up into Oklahoma. And on day 5, which is Saturday, we've got a risk of severe storms just west of the state, East Texas, Louisiana, some of the adjacent states. And again, we'll talk about this system here in a moment. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days, a lot of this in the form of snow up north. And for Alabama, rain amounts 1 to 2 inches for the north, under 1 inch for the south. So let's dive into this stuff here and take it day by day. This is the GFS, the 06C run at 3 o'clock. There's your lead trough lifting out, going negative tilt. Surface low over Kansas. North of that, heavy snow. Southeast of that, strong to severe storms. And again, for us, clouds will increase during the day today. Let's go to the high-res NAM. This is 3 o'clock, and a few showers could creep into northwest Alabama this afternoon. This is midnight tonight, and you can see that line of storms moving into the northwestern corner of the state. These should be weakening at this point. And again, they could be severe north and west of here. They should be weakening as they move in. 6 a.m. tomorrow, kind of a weakening band of showers coming through. And then by noon tomorrow, that little line of showers well to the south of Birmingham. So again, we'll keep an eye on things, but there's hardly any surface-based instability. The dynamics are outrunning the storms. So showers and storms late today, tonight, tomorrow morning. And tomorrow should be a little cooler. We'll be in the 50s much of the day. Let's go to the synoptic scale look tomorrow. And again, this is the biggest travel day of the year. Pick out your destination, see how you're doing. Snowy over Wisconsin, upper Michigan. Could be nearly blizzard conditions over the UP and Michigan there. Rain in advance of the front from New York down into the deep south, and that next storm producing a lot of snow back in the western states. Let's go to Thanksgiving Day. We're dry. Seasonal high should be around 60. Rain for parts of the plain states, some snow around Nebraska, and again, snow continues back in the mountains. This is Black Friday. We're still dry. We'll be in the 60s. New storm forms on the lee of the Rockies over northeast Colorado. Snow increasing over the mountains. And there could be some strong storms Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, south and east of that. All right, Iron Bowl Saturday. Ooh, it's a close call still, but the forecast hasn't changed much. Still looks like the best chance of rain in Lee County, Alabama should be after that game, but no guarantees. This could change. But you can see a deep surface low that's occluded that's over South Dakota with big-time snows north and northwest of that, and a batch of rain and storms to the south and east. Now let's check the European. It's a little slower, but it's the same idea. This is Saturday night at midnight. And as the storms come in here, the dynamics are very impressive. The thermodynamics are so-so. And we see that a lot this time of the year. But there certainly could be some strong storms involved, and we'll be much more specific on this as we get closer to the weekend. But this could be a low-end severe weather threat. And then Sunday, we're in a dry slot. We are colder. We'll probably drop into the 50s and stay there during the day. Monday, we're dry and cool, highs in the 50s. And a week from today, Tuesday, the 3rd of December, little ridge to the west, and again, we're cool and dry. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 5th. Little shortwave coming in here with some rain off to the west, if this verifies. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean, about 2 inches for the next 15 days. And the numbers. You can see Thanksgiving Day, Thursday, it's got a high of 58. And we creep up towards 70 on Saturday. We could see some low 70s in spots. And that high on Sunday probably coming just after midnight. During the day Sunday, we'll probably settle into the 50s and upper 40s perhaps in here early next week on Monday and Tuesday. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.